Do you think someone might be using your WhatsApp account on another device? In this video, I will show you how to check linked devices on WhatsApp step by step and remove any device you don't recognize immediately. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp app like this, and you will click here. In this page, you will find these three dots here on above, and you will click as you see. Then here in this window, you will find a window called linked devices. So you will click on linked devices. And then here, as you see, you will find use WhatsApp on another device. If you find this page here, it means that your devices is not linked to any other devices. But if you find here devices like the name of the device and location or something like that, then it means there is devices that linked to your account. And if you want to link a device, you can click on link a device here and unlock the link device, and then scan the QR code of another WhatsApp. For example, here in this WhatsApp, as you see, I can link to another device. So that's it. This is how you can check your linked devices, or how to link a device to WhatsApp. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.